Singing, dancing and praying were the order of the night as Christian faithful at the Rubaga Miracle Centre cathedral looked forward to entering 2018. Pastor Robert Kayanja, who led the thousands of believers in prayer, prophesied a year of abundance. There was hardly breathing space as Christians rushed to place in their offertory as they welcomed 2018 with high expectation.
And such a mighty God, in the name of Jesus.
Meanwhile, by 10 p.m., the grounds and the pavilion at Kololo Independence grounds were already filled up as thousands turned up to usher in 2018 with prayer.
We have come for prayers. We wanted change, Last years we used not to come for prayers, but this time around I think everything will be fine.
I want to pass my exams and I'll be the first in the class.
Buli mwaka wali kutuka nga ndi mubala ndi mukocha mipira ndi mukocha motoka ndi mukukuba bichikale ebyensi kuno gwe kusose omwaka okusanga mu church.
I was here. I pray for building a house. I build a house. I pray God to look after my children. I get sponsors, and I know now God is taking me to another level.
Pastor Jackson Senyonga of Christian Life Church warned Christians of false prophets who are undermining the fabric of Christianity.
The reason Ugandans are suffering is because of witchcraft and false prophets. They have bewitched us left and right.
Senyonga had divided his time between his main church in Boise and the crowd at the airstrip, which had earlier been disappointed by his departure, later burst into excitement when he arrived 5 minutes to midnight. He urged political parties to unite, and Christians were encouraged to sow their seed in an effort to harvest in abundance during 2018.
This is not a gimmick of getting money from you. This is God's plan he put in place to get money to you. Not that we want a lot of money. Whatever you're going to give tonight will not pay the cost of having put this up today.
Some have traveled long distances. Both old and the young are here. And the joy is that they have crossed over into 2018. The hope is that they can be able to get answers for the prayers they have offered here tonight. Arinaitwe, NTV, Kololo Airstrip.